Salam, salam, everybody. Hi. Salam, salam. Oh, let me see. Hi, everybody. Hold on, okay?
Hi.
Salam, Adhanet. Hey, Semret. That was fast.
I'm in my car.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Hi, everybody. Adhanet. قرب كنت أنحنا. شمال حنت زرعبرك بحال كاب سينت لويس ميزوري. Surprise لما أنتي my second مالتي. سمرت رؤسم يخون كلاليوك ميمس على ما أنتي. I think مزحتهم تفلت واتخانيهم. and قال لهم لي تفلتوا خاني لما أنت تفلتوا أخم مالتي حتى نحرر لكم بوشتي أب messenger سدود لي ويكابز because أبزن دحر حاتيتكم من حدا جزء أطيفس ل زحلف أين ريونينا so by the way let me just tell you لما أنتي سمرت كمايا okay so meaning تجرينا استغري كمان سلزخانة أنت يكون تجري English
Yes.
English كونه خالي so please تعجزنا so نتهم اندحر هاي اندحر young people اللوهم من أسيات youth you know that's really my passion you know أنت مثلكم أبزي سلزعبه young كله خمت أيوة teenager كله سلزمت أخو أبزع عبي مبزحت جزء سبعين نبرنن anyway Facebook كلام لك أنا برن social media نبر لما قلت بزحت سبعة على example كوننا دخلوا مالتي بزي and for me نسمرت لما تهي invite Gerea كنا جركم مالتي I love this girl she doesn't even know you know she's impressed by me but I'm impressed by her so that's why the young people تعشم مالتي أب communityنا example كتكون سلازخونته أنت على اللي خلوا معتي بزعب أخنا عللينا لومي so please حتى نحرر لكم قاليهم already حتى
my sister's on live hi
and أبزي بليلهم إيش Hi,
yeah
Semret.
she is
I thought I but
so
hello.
nice bye anyways go ahead
nice
sorry
to meet you. Let's see. Yeah, no problem. So قرب كنت أنحنا but anyway, thank you.
Yes.
أنحي share كجبرة أنتي كالوت كاش share جبرة please. Let's see. Share it. You can share it too. Let's share it. كالوت من أنت خبلو okay? So قرب كنت أنحنا. By the way, let me just remind you to rules مالتي. حقتات نايزي platform ناتي مالتي just reminder كجبركم مالتي مبزحتكم تفلتوا إخم right politician هايمونتون أبزي discuss أي نجبر لنينا I respect ناتكم side كبزولكم نعي تنا business ناتي يكون ناي بين أي side علىهم ناتكم يسو that's your business okay so كل جزء that's yours keep it ناتي علني I will keep it so let's respect نقبر مالتي لنفسهم respect قبروا نعيكا please respect and my guest خاني مالتي respect نخلنا لما أنت بزعبا من تأنا خنزارب بزعبا anyway بزعبا how تي تقبروا دلا سرح كما يجيرنا عب ناي mental health physical health مبزحتهم تفضل إن نحركمكم by now I'm all into holistic ملعوي تعنا مالتي so that's why نعم تأيها so please إن حتى لكم بزعبوا give it a go نقول لنا okay إن حرك please قدفوا هيمانوت and politica نقدفوا تعشموا إيكونا so لما أنتي topic بزعبا متاعك نزاربينا we have a guest okay we have قاشة لاتنا لما أنتي كبرتي قاشة لاتنا so كان حتى إنا
thank you
basically my sisters are in
hello
hi yeah so please so this is the rules and her politica حما نقدر قلبلكم I'm straight كنا قلكم لما أنتي black قبركم معك so please respect نفسكم من خلوت okay thank you so all right thank you بزحات سبعة أتيم
yay welcome everyone
so حتى الله already so before introduce قبركي let me just say why نعهسي why did I just call you and say, hey, you know what? I would love to have you. So let me tell you something, Muzabay. I don't know, you know?
Okay.
I'm always looking. أنا كل جزء observe it قبل نسبيري. I don't know تسرحين دحر كوينو, but كم يأخذ جزء anyway. Most of my life بزح تزارب كون observe as نقبرني. Okay. And then سمرتي and all that stuff. Then when you observe and then كتبت خل مهارمش. Then كتمهر كأدخل مالتي. Okay. We have to كنسمعن مهارن كنكل علىنا كنمهر مالتي نخالقت. But anyway, so I've been I've been observing her. يوري أنا رمالتي أنت إسرحة أنت تجبر أنت إزربعة كريئة أبيلا مالتي. Okay. So she's very positive person, but I'm a positive person. I don't see her كتصرف نسب كتبل just نفسان تعشم you know كل جزء تابل. First نفسها تقول عليك نفسها تكون عليك نخال سبك تكون. Okay مالتي. So that's why كل نجر رأيها. By the way, she very تعشم تبلني. She is very you inspire me.
You're so sweet.
She's every day. It seems like every day. She's working out. She's just grinding every day.
Thanks.
So to me, that's an inspiration. So that's why نخال أتوين inspiration كتكون سلات خالي لأمتى مالتي. Anyway,
thank you.
So let me introduce Semret Russom, right?
That's right.
And up California. Are you living up California?
Yes, California, San Diego.
San Diego, California. Okay. And comes with welcome. She's a professional bodybuilder. I think she's the only one that I know.
So far.
Exactly. She's a trailblazer.
Working
right?
on it.
So, exactly. So that's why ብዙሓት ሰባት I don't know ይፈልጥዎ ድዮም ከማን እንታይ ምዃኑ or ኣብ ዓድና ስም ብዙሕ ፍለጥ ኣይኮነን.
I don't think so. I don't know.
ኤርትራዊ ይፈልጥነ. So
if there
anyway,
is anyone,
let me welcome you.
Let them come to the show.
Yes.
Thank you.
Exactly. Please.
Thank you.
And had anybody come to go to Hong Kong? Just let
That's
us
right.
know. Let us know. Connect. Ms. Semret connect Gabaru, Masai, Ms.
Yeah.
Kulumality. Let us
Thank
know.
you.
So welcome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay.
No problem.
You know, ask and you shall receive. I asked him.
Yes. Yes.
You know?
Thank you so much for inviting me too. You do an amazing job, and I appreciate everything that you do for the community, for all of us. So it's an honor for me to be here with you. So
you're sweet. Thank you. Let me just say, please don't call Hiji أتداولوا عند حتى لكم بمسنجر delay. So please أتداولوا Hiji, okay? Okay. Anyway, no أتسأل مالتي. So حتى لني مالتي and كالت زحاتة على okay. And comes welcome بتجرنان بإنجليش كوني مبزحتي I think بإنجليش possibly كوني.
Probably. We'll see. We'll try. بتجرينيا.
Exactly.
كنفتنينا بتجرينيا, but عند حدا خلت أتيو بإنجليش كاس يقريتها in advance.
Exactly. I think السخون كباي تحشي تمثلي. I think.
We'll
anyway,
see.
We'll give it a. It's okay. It's okay. So let me ask you just something. مجمرة دبلكو حتى النبزي وزحت دبلو. The first thing was like. Not give me I'm like, how in the world did you end up obviously bodybuilding in time malati? Okay. Daniel, yes, bodybuilding time malati.
But
if you want to.
Sure. Bodybuilding malat na nafsi mar'ay malati. Iti بقرص تسرح I think.
Yes.
بسبورت صحة نفسها and نعو كندي diet أتيها sport lift and داعبركا weight lifting. I don't know what I do بهالبتقرينيا weight lifting. Gear.
Let us know.
Yes, please do. كم gearكا دحري مجرشة كم زيناي any sport تريو competition تجبر مالتيو أب stage كوينكا نفس خاطريو مالتيو قرص خاطريو مالتيو. I don't know. I hope I answered that question correctly.
You answered it for me. anyway, competition allo kamzi nay kullu tashmusi competition so and it sounds like المحجة غير كده
I've done it for the past 5 years هيك حمش عمت كده
yes. Yeah, I didn't even know that. I didn't know that.
I think most people the first time that I was in Bandera School, I think that's when they realized that I have a champagne anyways, it's been 5 years.
Okay. So background natki so Eritreawi
yes,
obviously
I'm Eritreawi but عدي توليدي and moved here teenage كله in America. So I've basically America was عابية كباب عدنا but you know you never forget who you are كل جزء تذكره عابي عابيخا من مخانكا. So I'm proud of it, who I am, and it's like a balance both world. And then I've always loved sport. كل جزء فوتي sport and يقوي or بشغلة هاي خيد. I was like crazy. Anything that has to do with sport, I was very passionate about. And then أب gym مسرح جميلة مالتي and أب fitness مالتي أب facility nice 24 and بخومه ناي حاتين ملا الجميلة مالتي. I really liked it and I was always eager to know things, so I was a curious person كل جزء مفكفلت سلجلي and I became really passionate about like weightlifting elements مالتي. And then a few years ago محازت a competition. Honestly أنا خمانسي in a bodybuilding بزح I was kind of not 100% sure what it was, you know, and I سويت رحي مثلا إني رقدم and then not just سويت بعد كم زي سبيتي كم سبيت عبيت ما صار دريا allo ako matrahi masalan nero. I didn't think division call it state or low division because after bodybuilding it's cover gebri ብዙሕ ነገራት ኣብቲ ማለት እዩ division allo ተፈላለየ ማለት እዩ ሕጂ መሓዝተይ invite ገይሮምኒ show ገይሮም ንዒ ራእይዎ ኩሉ ግዜ ስኽ ስፖርት ሰርሒ you know you have a nice body, you should come show ግበሪ ገለ. I was like no, I'm not doing it. You guys somebody committed I didn't either. That was the honest truth, you know. I was like I'm not trying to be like you know. Anyways so show met after ቦታ ማለት እዩ ክሪኦ دحر بقى ብዙሓት ኣዋልድ fitness ትገብራ ከምዚ beautiful body and እንታይ ይባል feminine ሪኤ ማለት እዩ. And I was like it's not just everyone, and then I discovered that there's so many layers to it. Anyways, and I said I want to do the show. I was ignorant about the show. I have no clue what I was doing in the first show. Then I discovered it and I just fell in love with the sport. It's really hard, but it's very disciplined work. You have to be very disciplined and diligent, and it doesn't just happen overnight, as you see. Then that's how I started. I fell in love with the sport, and then I said, okay, so what can I do? Why do I want to do bodybuilding? I researched. There was no Eritrean women that ever did anything. There's another girl that I found. She's Ethiopian. I was like, okay, so I wanted to be able to share my knowledge to inspire young girls or young boys. And our culture is a taboo. It's like it's like what the hell are you doing, kind of, right? But I was like, let me be the first to change everything, you know, why not? And so that's how I all started, and I wanted to represent Eritrea as the first woman to do it. So that's how I started.
That's awesome.
That was all English, by the way. I'm sorry.
No, that was actually no. تقرنا بتعميد صبوت قبل لحظة.
Thank you.
كابين العلا كمان
Thank you.
No? Don't let me limit you. صبوت قبل لحظة تقرنا.
Thank you.
You know what? Let it flow.
Okay.
Let it be natural and flow.
Yes.
You know?
Okay.
That's amazing. So don't worry, honey. Don't worry.
All right, cool.
Yeah. So بتعميد صبوا على so. كم زبالك like أفلت أصاي نبرهكن المحجة كم you know كمان أخنير كمان.
Yeah, like sport together نيرة أبجم muscle train فلت again. It's a show. It's like سكون sport مالتي بشغلة تارجع بردي basketball. It's like a show. It's a sport. It's within itself. حجي بزح knowledge I نبرهن I thought توني نيرة. I just knew like I used to buy magazines and I used to see girls with muscle. I was like I want to look like that, you know.
Yeah. Yeah,
but I felt ordinary, like you know, I wasn't knowledgeable. But when I became part of the whole, you know, bodybuilding society, and I just realized that, oh my God, this is bigger than I thought. It's huge. It's it has been part of history for years, you know, and it's it's one of the biggest, the biggest sports in bodybuilding. It's growing to inspire people, you know, and so that's how, you know, I was not aware of it.
That's amazing. That's amazing. And that's just amazing that sometimes hey, you know what? Sometimes sabat I think and they're limiting belief, and they're sometimes, oh no, Zenate culture, you know,
I didn't even think about that until later on. I was like, oh, I have some money, like what people are gonna say, you know, all that, because my first thing, so I swear, I'm being honest, I was like, oh, I can do this. I know how to lift weight. But, you know, later on, after my first show, and I was like, oh, shoot, what's my mom going to say? But, you know, it's like, it takes one person to change something, right? And so just like how it is not, it's a taboo, feeling or our culture is like, you know, like, it's a stigma to talk about mental health, emotional, all that. And so this same thing. So to break through all that, and, you know, if I could be the one to be the scapegoat, then let it be.
I think you're doing amazing. That's amazing. Like I said, that's why I've been and that's why I said, this is amazing, especially for me as I don't need to know and I don't care.
No problem.
But you look young.
I'm young,
young,
but I'm not that young. I'm in my 30s.
Me too. Hey. You know, you wear it very graceful.
It's all the fitness.
Exactly. It's good for
That's
you.
Right. Anyways.
So, so it's just amazing. So let me ask you,
sure.
Then. So then
well, first of all, my friends are Americans, you know, I'm American, and I have one of my closest friends. I do have like a few Habesha friends, but they know me that I love sport, so they weren't surprised that I would do this, you know. And but my mom, who's still mama, since she doesn't know. I was more concerned about her, like how she's gonna feel. I mean, you know, I live here, this is my life, but I didn't know how she would look at it. And but she was very open-minded. I was shocked. She was like, you know, first she was like, why upstage Quinky, you know? I was like,
yes.
I say mom, it's a sport. And then but she was never upset. My mom is very loving and supports a decision not because she knows that I wouldn't do something that would harm and so my mom was like supportive, you know, and as long as I'm happy, that's all she wanted. So
yes,
and
I think
and then I was also raised by American family, so my American family are like, I mean, part of it is like, oh, again, you find a sport that is like, you know, I guess so. They weren't surprised, but at the same time, there's also a concern. Like I said, they didn't want me to become the fitness sport because so win honesty was the but I don't believe in. I mean, I'm sorry. My choice is like food. You know, through food. Naturally you can do anything, right? So she was concerned at first, but she also knew who I was. It's my personality, and she said, I trust you that you wouldn't do anything that would damage me. So you know, it's a decision that you make in anything in life, you know.
Exactly.
So they're all good.
Wow, that's amazing. So I think comes the Balkio, you know, sometimes.
Trust me.
Not only why did I you know, I can see
But she's so proud of me now.
some
Yeah, she's proud of me now with knowledge, and I mean, part of it she still have that. It's cultural thing. She can't help it. ባህልና ስለሆነ concern ኣለዋ, but part of it is like ኣብዚ ስለደዓበኹ my mom is like she doesn't expect me to be Habasha. Does it make sense? And so it's a culture ማለት you. And so but now she's like she's supportive of me, and you know, she tells me I'm proud of you, so I'm like, okay, good.
That's
yeah
good. She should be. I think comes بالك تمرتي حدا ጊዜ ትምህርቲ ይደድልና ማለት እዩ ትገብሪ ያለ ለኸስ it's not حماق
economy.
It's
you
know, supports you, and then obviously كل stuff كገብر
right.
because comes بالك discipline, commitment, كل ነገር بمجديو بكل ነገር يدلك ማለት እዩ
100%.
like anything he wants. So I think she's proud of you. I'm sure. I'm proud of
you
for
you
sure.
so much.
And I tell you that, and I'm sure a lot of people are proud of you. حدا ጊዜ maybe they مفلات كمزولكي they مفلات ስለሆነ ትምህርቲ ስለና እምበረ I think this ብጣዕሚ ብዙሕ ጽቡቕ ኣርኣያ, and a good example for young ladies, especially if you guys are watching. Young for everybody, I think for parents. And if look مسلكم كل ጊዜ እንታይ ይብል listen أبي لنا أبو وصاينا دلنا, and حنت قالكم حجي for example what do you say اندحر قالهم or even ودو ولا ودو حجي young coin, you know what أنا bodybuilder كونه اندحر see حدا ጊዜ why كمزي كتقولنا يتخيل قالة you know but تيناتهم اندحر كم أخونو دليت اندحر علىهم سي انتي تبليهم حجي انتي تبليهم I think
for me, I think that there's a lot of things that restrict governance, but unfortunately, after the you have to learn to conform, you know, and you don't have to be 100% European or American. You still need to blend in and survive. Otherwise, culture you're gonna be behind, you know. حجيتي أم أبزز تولدوا and or even كمان أدموت عبيهم أبعدي. It's a balance, but support could go over بالك because in her dream ناتكي you know counselor كوني إلكي أنا أنتي فلتني أبهاد النايلة moral in her قريت أيوه. It's not even ولا أي تقبريه. You have to be supportive. ولا صحيح حماق as a parent and حركينك أنا يدلني إزي ديكوني okay try it, you know, فتنو and هاي فتن كايو أو فتن كيو, and then I صراحة لكن the next one قاعد تجمع but أبو خلو oh my god no I don't believe that. I think you need to be open-minded and let your children or you gwalkum diawala. Especially I think I gwal more suppressed go you know.
Exactly.
Gwalan state kwenka rule bazihu na gwalan state. You know what I mean? You're
I love that.
It's like trust me, I respect who I am and I love Gualan State. I respect who I am, but I also don't limited lane because Gualan State. Why not? I breathe and live this earth just like everybody else. So there's no limitation as long as you're on this earth. You know, so you just have to be open-minded and let work. Automatic shot to go on a dream like Ukwalka or Naiwadha. It's like say, oh, okay, let's research it, you know, and it's not just about becoming a doctor, becoming a lawyer. Those are a great profession, but as kids, they are open to different things nowadays. So you need to be open to let them be what they want to be.
Okay. Is it Nate? Let's see. It's cutting off the connection, I think.
Can you?
Okay. Sorry.
Can you hear me?
Sorry. Yeah, أنا سمعك.
Me too. I can hear. Yes.
Yeah, connection. قال لي low connection, but I'm sure it's gonna be okay. But anyway, that's why I love you. That's why I like this girl is, you know, let me see. You reminding me of myself.
Oh.
You're like, you know what? I'm like, you know what? If this is what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and do it. And guess what? If I fail trying, it's okay.
Yeah.
At least I tried.
That's right.
The worst thing you could do is not try something because thinking somebody is going to say something or, oh, okay, what do I try. Because
Yes.
You try. Okay.
Failing is okay. It gives you an opportunity to even become a better, whatever sport to go or anything in life. You don't just become like successful. It doesn't work that way.
Exactly.
But don't give up. Try it again, you know?
Yeah. Exactly. Sorry guys, I don't know why bad networking.
I have no idea. I can hear you.
Yes,
I can hear you.
I don't know that. I don't know what's going on. But anyway, another question that I have is, let me see. I didn't ask them. So last name natkum I don't know if you're okay or not. So Rahawa let me see. So let me see. Basically بزعبة تأشمي ندك أنستيسي كأنس عند حردلين تأشمسي not like عبي خنا خمزي body building قلا جن كأنس دلين عند حرشيب ناتن كبلو عند حردلين سي انتايت بليان انتايت
so fitness انتاي يكونوا أب زعدي خوف نبزح ببزحي ماكينات زوري بزح سبورت عين قبرنينا حجي جزء كتوصل لك even 3 دقائق 30 minutes or an hour of معلتي cardio قياديو ويك أني بشغلة ديو ويك أستير ماستر دي سبورت 3 دقائق cardio and 3 دقائق weight training again كم غير كها مجبخ أني إتتبلعو it's very important because كافتي تصابات ستيو كافتي بنت ستيو شكر تقبله لكافتي شاي كل نجارات كم مجبي نفسنا دوسدو حجي إتتوسدي أنا معلتي كتنك قالك بزح ما مجبي زي مبلع سبورت غير كمانسي without أيتري إني خن دحر مجبي خايك أيركيون حجي أبالا لعاكها غير لكي vegetable تايمر بحال بتقولني حملة دي بحال yes
yes got it
like I think a lot of times نحنا بهالنا بزح شجرتي like زيتي بربري and it's too much so and also كله سلا كم fat نجاري نفسنا دوسدو you know it's مجبت ولعو monitor كوينو نشتي كوينو and صورين خون I don't know clean eat كون على لو مالتيو
yes natural and clean
that's right
I think you think أبعدناها I think أنا كم زبالكم مالتي أبعدنا مزح كله clean anyway
yes
أبزعدقن obviously clean دبهال نجار يلن كل نجار بكيميكالات بجلنا بالوام okay and بعلخات هدي سريح كاي بزعدها أني بعلخات هدي سريح كاسي أبدا إن مجبي خيط كان دحر بالي أحان تاي قبله شكر إنشون يحتمل right
number one yes
okay شكر how we some that
it's flavor yes
yeah and then hypertension and
diabetes yes
yeah كله أبعدنا هاني walking أنا قبل ما بزحت
كله جزيس
وريدنا
yeah there's no drive through in Asmara or أبعدي
thank God
and I hope they don't take it I think that's what it is. سلا ديرداكا because you know sport مالتكو نفسها من قصقاس مالتي ولا أبجي ما يتخيل أبجزها خوين كاتجبر كاب كتما نشوق بإجران نخودو أبعدنا you know it's very healthy like they're very healthy and أبزجين بصراحة مخنيات جخمكا lifestyle نايز عادك بيديو that's why جزية كتوت عليك حنت ساعات أب معتي you have to give it to yourself because next thing to take care of your and guess what? You're not a good mom, you're not a good wife, you're not a good girlfriend. Period. I'm just you have to take care of yourself.
بتعمل
Yeah.
يا السخاء أرآيات خون
Yes.
And even ساعات ولا هيكونه ولا فرق ساعات
even
كمان
30 minutes even 30 minutes نحر 3 دقائق ولا تهون نتي نفسك نحر جزيه هبكيو دحرا انت تخوني motivation هو بكي because you feel good نيش تي وصيخي you did positive things الحنولكي it's like a positive euphoria هبكا تحقوس then you want to do it more and you want to do it more slowly شعون دابر تعخات متسق you know
exactly yeah and not كم زاد بالكيو ناي mental health and حتى زاريمنا exercises بتعمي تاشي كل جزء عن تايبه naturally medicine you natural as you walk مقبار nature وتأخذ and exercise كم زاد بالكيو walk just you know walk غير كاب كمادي أبغله نمتى بعدنا هم نحن مش walk نقبر
right
that's why كم معسيو 2009 كنا ننا مصحتي right and إن walk نقبر كتما قله we lost a lot of weight and let me tell you أول أنا برنامج مقبي جن cleans لسه مقبي نبلعنا نبزح جن walk نقبرنا and automatically كيف
بقولنا
كيف تنتهي you're not trying because that's how nature is supposed to be that's كم ممكن كوني زقبنا right جن أبزجن كمكينا نبجزا كبجزا نمكينا and then summary فون ولا you know تاشم ولا بزح تاشمو it's too hot you know sometimes and then winter it's too cold it's just it's so many things
so many so many seasons
allergy you know أبزي
oh my gosh that's funny
so كل جزء and كل جزء يبل كم أفريقيا عند مثلا we need the goats in vitamin D and nature and lena you know
it's free
there's a reason God created nature tashmi and come thank you you know stress it clears our mind it clears our mind just get out depressed conka stress conka just get out what's even just what's just admire nature that God has made trust me
it makes you feel so good
right yeah
it just you know the حما وعيلكي او وعيلكا دقه like انت حواكير كا اب بحر ديو ولا برخه like it just there's something about being outside نفسك شو هنقولكي you become calm and positive energy تبكي you know it's the same thing exercise is the same way and like you're not doing that you won't know the benefit of it because then life is going to take over you know so taking even 30 minutes like you said or like 15 minutes it doesn't matter it's important to do that in nafsaha you know it's a balance
yes but Ami and let me see I think hatitake already naigali and kamay حجسي أنا كم زدري بزح جزيتها بالأخي كم يجركي how do you stay motivated كم يجركي motivated stay تعشم تقبري
honestly
حدا جزيته go ahead work out كتقبري أعتبرني أخي it's natural كم مخ تبلي sometimes I don't want to get
we
all feel it
I do that all the time
yes
5 minutes I want to sleep
yes
I think for me it's because ولا دخيمة كله train قبل كله you have this thing you have a goal but in my life I made it part of نفسي he what said it like you made it part of your lifestyle حجي you know the benefit of working out even ولا دخميلكي كاف تجزا you know just get out the house after gym and you know you're gonna do something so you just have to make it out of the house get out of the house and that's what I say to myself every time on you know some days especially right now I'm in recovery some days it's painful I don't sleep at night I lately because great that doesn't stop me I just feel like okay well I had a rough night still I need to make it to the gym you know and so you just have to tell yourself that this is your medicine basically that's how I tell myself
exactly yeah so it sounds like you made it like your therapeutic
100%
I know Kabzan what's it I know I'm feeling sleepy and but Abzan
yes
So you're
I
that.
have to.
That's
You
amazing.
just talk to yourself positively. Girl, you just got to get out of this house and make it to the gym.
Yes. Yes.
So you have
Yes.
to.
But that's amazing. That's amazing. Let me just, you know, since Tashum next حاجتك اللي دلهم مالتي.
I'm getting some air.
And May is, as you post to get here.
Yes.
So May is GBS Wakani. What is it
Yeah,
called?
Guillain-Barré
Syndrome Awareness
Oh, wow.
Month. Okay.
Yes.
So can you tell us more? Come looking at it, I followed kun in time
Yeah.
I did not know until I saw you, and I'm like, what is this girl talking
Yeah.
about? And then they came
Yeah.
out of hospital.
Yeah.
I see you. كل نجار تاشمو.
Yeah.
What is
Yeah.
this?
It's
No?
crazy.
So and it sounds like you made it your mission now. So tell me instead نجار الناس كن time and come again
Sure. So it's a حمام. I guess it starts with any infection. The infection متذكر مالتي. أنا سعال حزن نيرو. Just regular سعال. شو it's سعال ناب like virus تغيره مالتي. نفتي nerve attack جرون النفسي. Basically to نفسه خصنا نفسه attack جبره مالتي. And the حراي كاب waist down even get easy. نام كوينو نيرو إيدي. But كاب ما أنت تحتي completely I was paralyzed. Paralyzed and I don't know. I
can't tell me what. Let's just say can't tell me what's happening.
Exactly. So what it attacks you, and basically it's a really بتعمي dangerous disease you قتلك يخليه because completely paralyzed جبركي كل نفسخي ده حراي متنفاس خلاكي. So I was struggling نفسي متنفاس أبيني. كم ساعة الجلوس للجمرني ساعة راح برتي عندي مسيل النيرو. But when I got to ER, قلتي for my follow-up one, and they thought it was just because bodybuilding they thought maybe قالوا وسيتكي أخي ناي drag, and so they had to do toxicology to just clear me out. And then when they did the neurology they did a few tests but it's just it's a crazy thing. I never thought in because I'm sorry, I'm not perfect, but I'm very active in a health not to take care of yeah, and I don't drink, I don't smoke, try to be not perfect, but I want to be proactive about my health, you know. When I was younger, I used to struggle a lot. Kidney stone when I was like 10 years old. And so until when I came to America, I had like 7 surgery because nafsay it was creating you know.
Wow.
And so I had like a lot of struggle with that, you know, up to like my early 20s, and I was always like back to the surgery, you know. I was tired of it. And once I changed my diet and I just start exercising, thank God I don't have no more kidney stones. So I was like, I was really happy. But then this happened. I was like, what the hell? So you just, you know, it's unfortunate. But so it's a disease that can happen to anyone. Even babies, they have them too. Which is crazy. Yeah, you don't know. Come nice stroke sign you don't know. Makes you it's like paralyzed gabraki completely. And so So
and when did because I know
it's been 7 months now.
7 months. And come to Zereabruk, let me ski.
I had to learn how to walk.
First of all, I felt so
I drove myself to the hospital. Knowing I said,
I thought that was crazy.
Yes. And the doctors were looking at me like, you drove? I was like, yes. So anyways, but I was lucky to survive it. So it's
and then it was not easy. Comes
no.
hospital كندي نركي
ورحن تسومنن.
Yeah, like and then come behind.
I had to learn. Yes, I had to learn how to walk. It's
crazy.
Yeah, it's insane. It's like I can't explain to you. It's a nightmare.
You know what I love though? You are insane. You know what I love though? You don't have to. You are insane more than that because
sweet.
you got up and you said, you know what, I'll show you.
Yes.
This is not going to take me
Nope,
down.
no.
That's what I love.
Thank you. I mean, you know, kullu nagar abhi what's like we all have things that happen to us, but again, don't give up. You know, like doctors nugo metyam. Oh, you know, oh, this, and I used to tell my mom, my American mom, I used to say, Mom, they're crazy. The minute they walk out, I was like, watch me, I'm gonna walk out of this hospital. But it's like, even though the magnitude of this disease, I thought but I didn't give in to the negative things that they used to tell me every day, you know. So I just stay focused on like walking again. The thought of it, them telling me that I wasn't gonna be able to walk for a little while, I didn't accept it. I didn't receive it. I was like, nope, that's not gonna be me. So I just stayed like, I just focused on me getting better. That's all it didn't matter what they said. I just didn't allow them to stay with me. So yeah.
My God is bigger than my circumstances.
Every day.
It sounds like that.
Every day.
Yes. I see you. I see you every day. Every day. If you're breathing, that means there's a purpose.
Absolutely.
If you're that means there's a purpose.
Absolutely. Yep.
And Aida Balandi is you
Thank you.
But I mean, it doesn't matter, you know, it doesn't matter in time.
Yeah, as human race.
Exactly, as human race, as human beings, you know. Sometimes انتي نخون كل جزء هذا بدخون نجر بحمام دي تتقعنا ويبزخون diagnosis جرو مناوي جلا sometimes انتي نخون نت نفس ناسي كم تي diagnose نوصل you know I guess حيمة is
it's the end of the world.
Yes. But السخن تاجر كد نعيد inspired جبرني إذا كله you know نحكم الناس كيتكو زويرك هيتكسي ورحين قال عندك اسكو كم بحدش جميل okay you know what okay كم زي وقت قبرني قال لي لو ما خلق نسخن تايلكي you know what watch me because my God is bigger than my circumstances.
Absolutely.
You keep and literally you took it literally you really you know have faith and كم بحدش كل نجرب بكيا and you still I see you بمركز جركي أخذت بالله comes that inspired me. I see to inspire Gary.
Thank you. You're so sweet.
They don't know.
They don't see me.
They don't know. But you know what?
You gotta fake it till you make it. That's how I say.
You know what? You are that to me. That's an inspiration.
Thank you.
So that's amazing.
Thank you.
So keep it going.
I appreciate it.
Comes the balku now. Okay. Can محجي كنا يجزء تاشم جركي نركي أو خدكي تساتف كنركي.
Yeah.
I think this time is more special.
Thank you.
Because you know what? Whatever this disease tried to take you out, but it sounds like you're taking it out. You're like, you just messed with the wrong person. You're like, you just wrong.
Basically.
You messed with the wrong person.
Basically.
Yes.
Yeah.
So to me, that's amazing.
Thank you, Shukla.
And, you know, comes the balkhi ati حميمة خمزي إلى كوف كتب لي تعش مختلي إن نوع خطب بالكسي تردي كتما هيركي بزعبون أنا خات مهرنا الله بزعبون
and I think one of the hardest things no problem one of the hardest things is as you know moralka you know but I feel like if anything it just let me see that having faith, you know, for me, my faith is my biggest strength, you know. Like I just knew that I knew he has a purpose now, you know. So it's but not a part. I have to do my own part, which is I need to fight, you know. And so even you know we all go through and حسب الله أبشجر ديها زي حلف يلن you know what I mean as long as in her breathe Allah you can overcome anything you know and so to not give up to just you have to do your part and stay focused on the positive side of life you know and anything is doable
exactly you can do it and comes بالكي ندحر goal ندحر لك علامة ندحر لك كل جزء كل جزء test متأكد right كل جزء فتنك متأكد
yes
እንደحنا ናፍታ ዓላማኻ ጥራሕ ርኢኻ ግን
yes
በዚ ፓንች ገብረካ خእሊ በዚ ፈተና ክመጽካ ይኽእል እዩ
yes
ናፍታ ታሽም ናፍታ ዓላማኻ እስኽሲ
stay
you're a
focused
good example ኣርኣያ ኣብነት ይኸ ማለት እዩ ትብል so that's very
thank you so much
that's very important ከበልክ ከመስገንክ ከሐልፍ አይደልኒ
you're so sweet thank you
you really inspire you know
oh.
so that's amazing
thanks.
and هل حتى حتى كده لله let me see صحيفه نبزي
okay
let's see well let me ask you something Kale
sure
what did you do before bodybuilding
I was a hairstylist
because you're a woman of many tricks many talents
girl let me tell you
know, right? yes
just kidding
because I see you see this girl so tell me Tiger
I had a hair salon in Dachogrunirani and so I love
okay.
you know I'm a girl so I love creative I'm very creative I love anything that has to do like
yes.
if I can see it I try to do it so yeah but I also love it and so I had a hair salon and so that's why you see me always you know try to be
yes.
like your hair except I have to buy mine
no, amazing
thanks
it's amazing and كل جزء so that's why it's background خانين نعطي لك مالتي
yes
for how long did you do كنتي تاشمو بزح عمتك
yeah 15 years عشرة 15 عمت yeah
yeah
but it's I love you know what I loved about being a hairstylist was that I like seeing women become like you know confident it just made me so happy you know like in her they just feel so good and that was my favorite part watching a girl just walk like with her head up I'm like I'm the shit
yes they become
yes so anyways I really enjoyed that it was fun
that's good because I see you're into you know makeup and to hair tashimo and I said well how did she end up in this because
yeah
so that you know
that explains
sense,
yes
you know? That explains
but that's the thing you know where
I'm into
I wanted to say this it's not limit you can be and become as long as you have the desire to learn and to do it you can do 1,000 things if that's what you want to do there's no limit to things you know the only thing as human is as a person I can only stop myself you know but it's like your desire and go for it you can do it
that's amazing and let me just say that because I like doing that too I like playing no I like playing like yes not they know what to see you but I like to play with fake hair too and sometimes sometimes what
it's not about that
no that's not it's not about that you know?
yes
so it's just
it's fun
if you feel like doing something different could go
change it up you know? And why not even if you have long hair you might want short hair without cutting your hair you know you see me I'll have short hair and I'll go like 20-30 inches in my head I don't care so as long as it makes you feel good it empowers you you're walking around happy hey
yes
go for it
that's amazing so that's awesome
Thanks.
because I didn't know what did you do before that so let me ask you something else what on your free time when you're not exercising what do you do
it looks like I live at the gym right I love socializing with Hazute, you know, and that make be restaurant and you know I also travel with my friends I'm getting ready to go to New York for a few next month so you know being with my friend it's a balance you have to have you know friends that you hang out with and you know so I love hanging out with my friends and that's what I do movies restaurant coffee shop yeah
just normal
I'm just a normal girl
just like me
exactly
like
exactly
so,
yes that's what I love
so let me add to that
yes
what do you think sometimes انتي نخون up community نحن حدا حدا جزء انتي نخون ደቅና ሲ ነዚም young special this is net young parents ማለት እዩ ሓደ ግዜ እቶም ደቅና ምስ ደቅ ካልእ ደቅ ዓዲ ክኸዱ ኣይንደልዮም ኒና ምስ ጸለምቲ ሮም ጻዓዲ ገለ oh no ሕማቅ ክኾን እዩ
yes
what do you say because it seems like not keep friends መብዛሕትአን ናይ ደቅ ዛዓዲ ገለ
yeah
so what do you say to
it's you know it's so for me I think even listen America you know as an American Eritrean American for me I cannot just be like a Habesha person only. That's not fair. You know what I'm saying? I see fair because I'm missing out the beauty of the whole world around me. And expand because guess what? You're on your own in the world. So you need to be able to work with culture. You have to be open-minded. You can't just be like only Habesha person, and I mean, I'm sorry, nobody lives around me that's Habesha. So I'm like, so you have to open mind. Let me tell you, I grew up strictly with American family, and American Hazite. If like the typical Habesha, they probably think I'm doing something bad, you know. It doesn't matter whether it's Habesha you will do it. It doesn't matter. Shelter you know? So just because mom okay they could probably do so much stuff because don't do this curious guess what he's gonna do it she's gonna do it because they want to know. But in here, you trust your kids, you love your kids, you teach them right and wrong. That's it. That's all you could do as a parent. Exactly. You can't shelter them. I don't believe in that.
Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Tigrinya more. Confitinina b'Tigrinya.
Oh God.
So comes developio nikol'ut nas especially in her abium. I develop like especially
as
like trust me. Because then you know.
Yeah.
So كل جزء أنا تهيبل قلعوا خلوه مسكالوت لك عادي it's okay. قلنا ناتهم تأشيراتهم
culture.
سدران تاعهم تنتيهم فلتهم.
Yes.
تهم سدرهم تهم كالوت نحد دحان كوينا.
Yes.
It's good okay. كم يجركا. ننكم يجركا because remember ناب college مسكال قلة.
Yes.
Yes. That's what happened. مزحت الجزء. جزان دحر عتينا كل جزء. ولا ناتنات راح يكون سنة ولا نيزعدي أبجزان نحرت بلوم تعتمرهم أب college كلهم شعور الله explore
of course because I think كله كم parents أنا قولوا عتيبلين not yet I'm not a mom yet but كم ولادي خينك concern كله كاخليو but again حبشة راح كمحازق خونو لوم I think it's not fair نعاتهم you know أنت حبشة راح يكسرحي كونن كمهارو خلوهم مساعدوا متسلمتي everyone trust me I've seen حبشة kids that are better than my friends that I see around so don't get it twisted there are kids out there that are doing the most too because of حبشة kids so I think that it's a balance you know open mind like he said as young as they were open to go from culture career not just Habesha culture because they have that already at home you know so balance you know in the to high school مسودو guess what all of a sudden it's foreign يوم دخلنا نعاتهم كم حدش culture نعاتهم نتم قلعود you know so it just I think it's a balance and let you know love your kids teach them right and wrong and you know it's okay to have other people that are تسليم or تصاعدة it doesn't matter
hold on battery كبلة go ahead
okay
go ahead.
So that's my theory on it. There's a lot of Tigrinya writing. I can't read it.
It's okay.
Hannah, I'm so slow, girl. It'll take me like all day. I have to go. Okay, I have to go like the alphabet. I was like, what was that letter?
It's okay.
Thank you.
دحاني حتى أسيل نات عشمنا بالمالتي. It's okay.
Thank you.
You know it's amazing comes جبل كخي. You know أنا سي أبعدنا عبي قال عصر كنده قال عصر ثلاثة عصر أربعة.
The same. It's me too.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it? Right?
Yeah.
And كل جزء you can tell people كابزي.
Yeah.
كل جزء انتهي نخون مسيلتي.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me سبيدو ولا اللي على هذا.
Okay.
Please don't call now. Please don't call now. So እንታይ መስልኪ ኣብዚ ኩሉ ግዜ ድብሎም ኣነ ከም ፐርሰን ኣብዚ ደዓበየ ኣብዚ ትምህርቲ ኸይዱ ኣብዚ ዝሰርሕ ኣብዚ እውን ተመሪዐ ወሊደ ኩሉ ነገር ኣብዚ ቢለ ማለት እዩ ንሰብ ክምህር ደሊ let me tell you ከም ኣብዚ ደዓበ ኩሉ ብዙሕ ስትራግል ገይረ ስለምንታይ ካብ ዓዲ መፂኻ ኣብዚ ከተብል ከለኻ እቲ ብጣዕሚ ሃርድ right ብጣዕሚ እቲ ካልቸር ናይ ዓድና I need was the many ane, especially ab teenager kalla khandher meta.
Yes, it's a struggle.
Because you're trying to find yourself, right? You're trying to find yourself, and then bazakha alla wait a minute. Is it was the culture? Is it was
yes.
But I'm tashma, right? So abzi gizez bitami agadasi inatam
big time
family malati natam waladi support ku gabruum natam daqom slamtai. بتعمي أقداسي جزء. They're trying to find many.
This is the most confusing stage. We all been through it.
بتعمي. And حتى نقول كم هر كل جزء. Please don't come see. No إرتراو إخاص خمسة كنا. No حبش أخاص. Please let them find it. What do you خمسيو؟ قال ما شو ما خمسيو.
That's the problem too. I feel like after بحالنا. I'll tell you because you will know and they'll find out. I'm not ashamed of it, you know, who I am. But because example, but I was raised by American family, white American family. So there you go. I am this bad child, right? I had a friend of mine who is one of my best friends now. Her family used to tell her, like, don't go with that girl. She's a troublemaker. She doesn't live with her parents because they don't know the story. Because they automatically stigma look كمزي جركا كستودا حماق قول عنديو كستودا حماق قول عنديا and it's like it's that judgment that we have entitled judgment بتقرينيا anyways automatically you have this thing that you're not supposed to do this that's a lot of pressure for a kid that's a lot of pressure you know and you just gotta I just feel like there's so much work to be done in that aspect of life. A teenage queenom and you know they have the pressure of timurtom of family it's like this whole war of you know like nobody understands the it's such a stressful thing for kids. It's very stressful.
بتعمي and بتعمي حاجة زي اليوم and حنت نجر كل جزء دبلا خاني نعي دحزنني is you know yes تكالتشر ناتك خت مهرب دليخا at the same time I guess نعخي السوء أنا بركن مالتي مس تعدو قال إنحر عبيخ مالتي كن أنا دري أو أبكال مس تعشم مالتي أبزي community ناتنا تم قلعو حماق رخيبا مدلو مستم تعد تخدو ويمستم تعد مسألم تتخيلوا مسألم كي تخيل اندحر مستم حبشة خاني نايلو ممتئدو لو خاني نو مز خي تخيل كابي عدي إيدو انتا إيدو دقافي ديدو قلا ملا قلا I'm like oh my god زم قلعت قد رخيبهم بس ما to me is like قد رخيبهم
wow that's a lot
نفسي ودسب تاش مخيني you know what I mean that's a lot of pressure دقنا مالتي
it's too much
that's a lot
it's
of pressure.
unnecessary things
مس من يبدأ أمخدو
because then shouldn't I go over then this happened مش قولوا كم يركي مع pressure not key night parents I will do feeling sick نفتهم قولوا عتياتهم بولو right so now تقول عنده إخبار guess what he's gonna self-medicate he's not gonna talk to his parents he's gonna do sneaky things بدحريهم بدحري ولدو كجبر you it's not necessary كم غير كا pressure نقولوا عتنا خد قبل اللهم سعادة يتعلمي حبشة who cares you know you need to worry about نتقول عسي how كم غيرو تبغى غيرو كعبي كم عن بابا كعبي not like أتا كم زي تكبر more like you're cutting his confidence each time no no عند حتى بلوخينكا إتي automatically إذا ربك ده حسبه هجي مام كم زي حسبه كبلك ده حسبه you got for مالتي because automatically that's your answer no ختبلي أخي so كم يقدر أنا حجي مام كم زي خون دلي كبلك ندحر already فلت no خم تبلني it's a no the answer is a no already so why would I want to share with you my feelings and what I want to do you know it's a big problem in the and I'm so glad that you're shedding the light on it it's important really it's very sad though
And that's amazing because that's why it's just as I get to know you نعخ እንዳፈለጥኩ خسي wow okay so كمي ጌርና ንደቃሲ ክንሕግዞም ኣለና you know ድኾነ ነገር ክኸውን እንድሕር ኢሎም በቀዳማይ like 2 episodes ብዛዕባ ምንታይ ተዛሪብና ብዛዕባ ናይ ኣቦድን ጓልን ታሽሙ ማዕርነት ኣብ ገዛ ማለት እዩ ሓደ ግዜ ወዲ እንድሕር ኮንካ ዝኽትገብር ኣይትኽእልኻ ጓል እንድሕር ኮንኪ ዝኽትገብር ኣይትኽእልኺ
I told you there's a lot of pressure for girls
there's a lot so ኩሉ ግዜ that's why ይብል ኩሉ ግዜ ከምስ ክንብሎም ኣይብልናን whatever እንት ክኾንዎ ደልዩ at least ክኾኑ እንድሕር ኮይኖም ሲ እንድሕር ድሌት ኣለዎም ሲ ንዓቶም ታሽሙ encourage ክንገብሮም ኣለና ማለት እዩ ስለምንታይ እንድሕር ዘይግበርናዮም confuse እዮም ክኾኑ እቲ ድበልካዮም ኮይኖም ከዓ ከይተሓገሱ ክነብሩ ሲ it's not ጽቡቕ ኣይኮነን
and you want them to succeed in life you know ኣብ ድኸዶ high school ወዲኦም college ክኸዱ ከለዉ why do you think ጻዓዱ ጸለም you know there's a lot of ጸለም ኣብ ዛዓዲ stigma ኣለዎም ሕማቅ you know unfortunately but there's a lot of successful black people that I know you know and they're very smart how do you think they succeed because family natom doqom kamay sila dacbaywom they keep telling them you can do anything you can become anything exactly then they get to college and they're confused insecure they lost interest of what they thought they want to do they are doing it for your mom and dad become like a doctor or a lawyer whatever it is you know instead of having that child explore their own future don't teach them about what you want to do you know so it's just
and can I tell you something
yes.
and I will attach Adhanet Kamalatin
sure
okay that I know for sure one thing I know for sure is ንደቅኹም እንድሕር ጽልኢ ምሂርኩሞም ናይዚ ወገነባ ናይዚ ዓዲ ዝባ one thing I thank God and my mom is como I'm haratin
yes
I don't know what I'm sabay tamariyo kabe ዓዲ መጽዩ ካበ ያብል I didn't even know
yes
I got to know him
yes
ታሽሙ and people ask me where is he from I'm like ካበ ኤርትራ
who cares
I'm like he's from Eritrea that's all I know you know I got to know him I like his character
that's it he's
you know what I mean I'm not giving the ta'addi whatever you know there's a lot of tashmu
I'm sorry
قلت بزح ما رخيبهم دلو is بتعمي كابي وكابزي انتي it's too much ندقهم and let me tell you come in حرجركم let me tell you what's going to happen they're not going to be proud of who they are they're actually going to be ashamed
yep
and what's yum ናይ ሃገሮም ከማን ኣይመህሩን እዮም because ኣብ ገዛኦም እንድሕር ከምዚ እዚ ኸይ በዚ ገለ እንድሕር ኢልኩሞም why would I share that with ካለሰብ ወዲ ካለ ዓዲ ወርታሽ you know that's why ቆልዕትና sometimes ይጠፍ low because ኣብ ገዛ እንድሕር ምስ ዝኹን ምስ ዘይተኺድ እንድሕር ኢልና ያምሲ I'm just going to go ምስ
whatever
ጸልም ዲ ጻዕዳ ኸይደ you know but if I'm proud of who I am እንድሕር like I said my mom never said Ms. Zisabkait Khadi Ms. Ziwa Adido Galamele that's something that thank God
good for you
I don't care what leave leave to Gabir and I don't care as long as your personality and
that's it
that's all that matters okay so for me because بخم أسلدريو مالتي بخم أسلدريو مبزحتهم ناتي عرفتي كم زناتك مالتي عديهم سلمتيهم دك كالوت أفريقيا قم بزحبة عدي كله
they know that's the same with me
exactly so that's what I'm saying ندقوهم ندحر حما أنت مهروة مالهم they think that's who they are كمو يدمسلو كمو سلز مسلو شعوات من مخانم كنقرو أيكون
why would you want to attach to that
why would but they don't I felt
it's so sad so it's a generation gap you know technically American they're not Eritrean or they're not Ethiopian they're not Somalian whatever the hell they come from yes that's your culture but Natom Kani this is their country really if you think about it and so you should be you should allow them to be free really and explore the world. I have all over the world. America, from Europe, from Africa, China. It doesn't matter to me. As long as you're a good person, I love you. who cares where you come from? You can teach me not bahali. I can teach you not bahali. You know, it's such a beautiful thing to have. Just be open, accept and love. That's it. Just be loving. That's all you need to be to your kids too, you know? And I'm happy that you honestly are come together, you know, and then parents got them which is really important, you know? Because you know what I mean? Like if you, it's like you can't expect blossom if he's not blossoming at home, if she's not blossoming at home. So it starts up you know, then they can go out and you have no worries to you know, because you already it's a root like a child, it's already in place, so nothing is going to shake that child, you know. I'm so thankful you know, my mom mama she is a very strong woman, and I was so thankful. Love nata, you know, it had helped me to overcome so many things. America, so many. Nothing is perfect. America, yeah, I like to smile, but don't get it confused. I've been through a lot in my life too. You know? But you know, because I knew my mom, how she raised me. I know mama kami abiatini. I know many family. I had so much love. My mom. Girl, I didn't even know we were broke as hell, you know? And so I swear, I was like, damn, we were poor. But I remember how much love she gave me and how she, you know, that's what you remember, is that the love that you have, the acceptance that your mom tells you. Like, when I was a child, I used to tell my mom, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. And I would go back home, my neighbors used to, they told me, oh, but as a child, I was just blabbering and saying stuff. But that's because she never said that to me, you know? So I feel like even though when I was Nushte, I feel like Nate Ruth, it's plant, it's a seed, mama, I can go anywhere, nothing is gonna shake it. Does it make sense? So it's like it's embedded in me, who I am. So anything that I do, I just remember her. You know? Because that's like amazing. That's what it's so important in, especially in Yushte. Like 16 down, you have, that's the most important part. You have to influence influence, you know what I mean? I don't know. So
no, that's amazing. You have no idea. Entirely it's a root night because it's a root in the head. Guess what? It's ولا النفاس هو تسلم دي بزمتي تعالى دي بزمتي it's a root in the guess what? It's gonna be okay. And comes to the I had a lot of كل زي زرابي. My mom's single mom كوينة عبياتني بزحنا جرات. I have no idea. You don't even know. When you guys see the book that I
can't wait.
When the book comes, you read.
I can't wait.
When the book comes, you read one day. Not a life coming. Again, it's surun دحرتاش مخيلو. Okay. دخون نجار بلو إن علامة دحر لك خمس بالكي علامة دحر لك زخون نجار متيو test كت كون خلها. Okay. فتناتي متسكاي. دخون علامة دحر لك قلنا بقدر رح نحرم بالك إذا قابي هالحس كان نحنا وبالك. There's nothing else. سنتم قلعتنا خاني نتم دكنا مالتي علامة ندحر لهم. Okay. Encourage كنجبرهم. ناتنا سرحة هاي. نعوك نحجزهم ناو خدم بل نانو زيت كبرة ودي أخا نانو زيت كبرة حبشة كم زخ ندحري لا ناتنا نحنا سلا تمرتي دايبلنا ولا بزعبة تمرتي حد سلا زلنا يو اتناتهم دريو وخن ريو دين خيل مالتي
right
كلنا خاني different أوعيت هذا دلنا ستقول أخا خمناتك أوعيت كله الكاء تحسب مجمرة ما بزحت إجازة انتهت أوعيتهم سبعة فاضونيهم okay so اندحر parents كونكا ويندحر ولادي كونكا ودخا اندحر كم زخ جبريلك اوكي صحي تريني خا بتقول عيري الله because not تعشم سلاس كم اندحر يوم كذا encourage كنجبرهم علىنا خنا ما عبلهم علىنا no زيد أنا يمت ኣትካደ ይኮነ ገለ ክንብሎም የብልና
and compare
because ስምረት ሓፍትና
you can't compare
yes
compare it's so bad ደቅኸ ወዲ ክስቶ ከምዚ ኮይኑ ዋል ክስቶ ከምዚ ኮይና guess what ኣምላክ I feel like God ከምፃና ክለብ earth ኩላና ሓደ ኣይኮን 5 fingers ሓደ ይኮነን አንኳይ ኩሉ ሰብ ሓደ ኸውን you know what I mean that is the reason there's like different levels and so ነፍስኻ compare ከምዚ come it's so wrong. You have to love that person for who they are regardless of what it is, you know, and as long as they're happy. It's important.
Yes. So. That's amazing. It's you and I can go on and on and on. I'm telling you, we can go on and on.
Yes.
Let me see. So. What's your goal in life? Beyond
beyond this?
Yeah.
I think I like for me is to help inspire women. You know, eventually, my dream is to open one day maybe a body to like a female fitness. That's my dream. You know, I hope I can do it. And
I think you can do it, girl. You could do
it. And I feel like, you know, it's sharing my journey in life. Like you say, one day you can read about my life too. Eventually that book will come out, but it's, you know, it's giving back, you know, like it's a baton that we have to pass on. So for me, it's like, whatever it is, I just want to help encourage people and share the love. That's it, you know. When I live, we all, we all have, you know, I just want to do something that's positive. You know, to encourage them, you know, young teen. That's my passion, really, is to give back. You know, give back to society. Yeah.
That's amazing. That's amazing. So we have the same passionality, you know. I always say, you know, we're all born to serve. Sometimes people don't know what.
Yes.
It's not.
Nope.
To serve people.
Yes.
We find that satisfaction.
Absolutely.
We find that fulfillment.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
We can get this. We're all born to serve.
That's right.
What you need to know is, what were you born to serve?
Yes.
كلنا different serving تعشملنا مات different potential different تعشملنا different وهبة calling
our gift.
what you need to I a gift way تعشم مالتين but we're all بزيلك we're all born to serve.
Yes.
serve كنقبر إن تفتيرنا مالتين.
Yes. It doesn't matter anything. I mean, I think that's the problem, like you said. In the what is your gift? You know, God gave us a gift, whatever that talent is like when you have that talent and then you said, okay, how can I use my talent to help other people, you know? And it's the greatest gift that you can do. The greatest feeling is to help another human being. You know, ganzab metziu. It doesn't give you the same gratitude, like the same feeling I have when you help another person, you know? And so, that's a good point. Giving back into whatever it is, that gift, not ka talent, falitka, kamegeresi, because it's materialistic is not, it doesn't give you monetizable, you know? When I say hizbkhan, I'm not talking about just specifically in Ertradi Kwanasi. I'm talking about human being. That's what I mean. Use your talent.
Yes.
If I see somebody that has like an issue with weight and they wanted me to help them, I wouldn't even want to charge them, because for me, the fact that I'm helping, that gives me satisfaction, you know? And so it's on point. I like that.
Yes, exactly. And sometimes you know, trust me, you're not gonna find it's satisfaction.
No.
But in the head, if you find your kashmo, if you find your calling, it's serve in the trust me.
Yes.
Your blessing, you will see your blessing too. When you bless others, trust me, you will find your blessing.
Yes.
Because that's how things are.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Is God here blessed? Yes. እግዚአብሔር ውን bless ከገብረካ more because he wants you
to be bless others.
Yes. Exactly.
Yes.
ግን መብዛሕትኡ ግዜ sometimes that's why ንሪኦ ኩሉ ግዜ ይብል ረእዮም ናይ ገንዘብ ነገር አይኮነን ናይ ገንዘብ ነገር አይኮነን እዚኦም movie stars እዚኦም ከመይ ድበሉ millionaire አለው ሃከም ሓጎስን ሃገም ኣይተሓጎስን
yes
because sometimes they're not used to the right things sometimes በትታሽሞ የበነውን okay so that's why ኩሉ ግዜ I always tell people, if you find your calling and you're serving people, trust me, the money will follow, by the way.
The money is...
Because God is going to bless, because he wants you to keep blessing his people.
That's right.
If you can get this.
Yes.
You know?
Yeah.
But that's amazing. That's amazing that Katana had Adhanet number, by the way. That's amazing. Let me ask you something. I know بزح مس حبشة يكون كنا بالكيور بتعشمو.
Yes.
Did you ever have to cut ties with somebody, friends, them, wala close relative, galanegar, to be who you are today? You know, I had to do that. A lot of people, we have that in life.
Yes.
You know? Sometimes every day you have to. Did you ever have to do that?
You know, every year I call this friend of mine. She goes, "Did I make it this year? You haven't cut me off, right?" I feel like.
Yes.
I feel like, you know, kullu gizeko sab abu nafsina yimetsit. If it is not a positive thing in my life, I'm sorry. Even if you're my family, I don't need to be around you. I don't hate people. You know, I forgive people. You just move on.
Yes.
But I don't need necessary drag I don't believe in that. I think it's important to clean the house, to venture up, you know?
Yes.
Open up the door so other people could come in, you know? I just said, okay, it's time. Train Michelle, there's train at a certain stop. And I feel like some people are here for a season, temporary. Some people I feel like it's okay to let go of people if they're not serving your purpose. It's okay. Because that doesn't mean you're a bad person. It's because and so on. You don't hate them. You just like, you have nothing in common anymore. Therefore, you need to move on. I just feel like it's not a hard thing to do. Maybe it is, but I just feel like it's important to do that because I don't need to have a whole bunch of, I don't want to say garbage because there's
drag me down.
You know what I'm saying? I just feel like, hey, let me let you be free. And so that I can go do what I need to do. And so, I do that all the time. And I have no problem cutting people off at all.
Okay, that's amazing. I'm the same thing. I'm all about sometimes comes to Balkio. Gali Usap, we're meant to go from season to season. Misahat transfer
Yes.
Gali Ugin. And every season you have to leave some people.
You have to.
Yeah, you have to love them from a distance. That's what I say. You don't have to hate them.
It's not hating. That's the thing. Good question. It's a clarification. That doesn't mean I just feel like it's not serving me, Mr. So therefore, I'm just gonna remove myself and move on busy. You know.
Yes.
But I think culture now it's very hard to do. Because the all of a sudden, no, I don't hate that person just because I'm not talking to them. I don't believe that you have to hate someone or only time is because you have to be in my life. That's not necessary. So, and I think it's important to do that. It's healthy to do that. Because because, you know, if you have a friend, have you ever had a friend that anytime could do hello? You know what that conversation is going to be about. I'm like, oh God, here you go again. No, I just, you know, I think I feel like the older I got, the more I just want to leave this earth and, you know, the best that I could be, you know, and I feel like you have to surround yourself, not necessary to benefit you, but to have the same mindset. So that you could just do what you do the best, you know? Because, you know, there's a saying like, show me your friend and I'll show you who you are, you know? It's something like that. I don't know particularly now, but it's the same thing. I feel like sometimes you can't grow because they want you to be in the same spot, right? What it's making them uncomfortable because then that person has to change or you're gonna leave them behind.
Yes.
So because I feel like we hold on to toxic relationship. مشالكي ولا ما حدا راح يكون مرة عادي ولا أنت سب I do عاركي do. The same thing for me is like if you're not a healthy relationship and healthy in any relationship ما حدا يكون is guess what, if you're not doing the best if you're not becoming the best person, there's no need for you to be in that relationship period.
Yes, that's amazing.
Move on.
Let me try بتقرنا. I think تقرنا من مخانك خنقرك من يوم حزتك قرني. I think it's something like that.
I think so.
But anyway, that's something like that. I'm sure you guys get it.
Yes.
Anyway, I always say that. Como يبن it's بتعمي. إذا كان تاي مسلكي if you have a goal حسب اندحر لك اندحر تاشم لك علامة لك كل جزء نفت علامات خده تم عرفتها نفت علامات مساحة خلهم ويجنا ودري خلهم because sometimes اندحنا كم ده يكونوا ترحوا أنا محجة سزاري من اللندن you're the average of تم حمشة سبعة ساعات على اللهم مسؤول you're the average of the تم
top 5
so it's very كل it's very important. So that's amazing. So كل جزء yes, there's some people that need to go because toxic and you don't want that toxicity.
No.
That energy comes بالك يا سب دويلات راح عند حد أقام راح تقبل الكافينا.
Or gossip, even gossip.
Your energy is going to be negative, right?
Absolutely.
All right.
Yeah.
And I always tell people حجي أنا بزحت friends سيبلين سلامتها. صراحة نعطي كل جزء mental health thing. A lot of energy, right?
Yes.
So why would I have a toxic energy? محازت قال نجا. What I want is كبصراحة مسبولكو قال ideal مسرحي قال. But مسوت أخو خبت صراحة I would be in a healthy mindset. You know what I mean? Like
yes.
My energy, keep my energy positive كل نجا.
Yes.
Because it's energy that أنا خلقه تدهب.
Yes.
Okay.
It's a lot of work.
So that's why it's very important. It's very important for us to keep up toxic relationship way, toxic friendship can what's
it's necessary.
Sometimes people بتعمي that's amazing. حتى بزري
yes.
I can answer نفسي but also for you حدث I don't know شمكا بالكون. What do you think of yoga دبتاشم Christian دخانو أمنتي Christian مالتيو ab yoga debulu. Yoga, do you think it's himma or it's a Christian in I have my own thing, but let me know what you think about
I didn't know such a religion thing. Yoga for me as a yoga is a good yoga is I think yoga is important because it teaches you muscle stretch together, balance hibik. It's a good sport.
Yes.
It's but there's also yoga religion I think, but in America we use it as fitness. It's fitness. So I love yoga.
Yes. I do too. I love yoga and I'm a Christian and I love yoga. Sometimes some they think yoga malet Buddhism or yoga malet no, it's not. Are you praying to Buddhist no, or what are you doing? Yoga it just
you just calm. You relax your mind, you relax in nafsaka. It's sports especially. It's actually a really hard sport. You know, it's like it's a lot of work and a very talented people could only do it, you know. And it's not really. I mean,
stretch.
Yes. Yeah. And so it's. I think my opinion is I love it. Yeah.
And it's all like I said. It's not nati haymanot taikon kanta.
No.
It's you know who you are. I know who I am. Nimani tashimu. Yoga again. It's just stretch tashimu. I don't care if you're saying in Jesus' name or Christ's name, whatever. You're not. Doesn't matter.
It's like when you do for example yoga ስለሪፍ ለተውዓድና እንታሎ ሳከር እግሪ ቅድሚ ነቲ ኩዕሶ ክትቀልዓ እግዚአብሔር ዲኻ ትብል or ቡዳ ዲኻ ትብል the same thing but asxab ነፍስኻ ትገብሮ it doesn't it's up to a person really. I don't think it's a good thing.
the same thing. What could gabber kallaha? You could say, you know what gabret tsubuk asma.
Yes. Yes.
It's basically the same thing. The same thing with meditation. People think meditation Eastern Tashmi is Muslim. Comes I love meditation. Meditation, prayer, it just means stillness.
Yes, it's have calm. Yes.
Yeah.
You just basically نقول نجار أتحولك stress قبلك زوا عليه نتماينك أستبلو. It's like you just need to calm yourself. You have it's a breathe to go, it's good for your brain. It's oxygen. It's blood flow. It's a good way to incorporate with health and fitness too. It's a good thing. Yeah.
Yeah. It's all or it's just basically stillness.
There's nothing to do with religion. That's it.
It's you're with your nafsaha. Mindful. You're doing mindful meditation. It just means كل نجار كم دلقت وستلقى. And you're breathing. You're مستناتك مستنفاس كله حدا تخون لقى مالتي.
That's it.
And that's all it is. No religion attached in the herger kanu. That's not kata ashum.
Anything it has nothing to do with religion. No, it's not religion stuff.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Anyways. Let me see. Question into the. Sorry, بزح وسيلك. I know
no worries.
You have other things to do.
No problem. It's okay.
Let's see. Oh well, let me ask you something.
Yes.
How does being a bodybuilder affect your relationship? For example, like let's just say dating or whatever. Yeah, like how does do they get intimidated by you? Like, do men get intimidated by you?
I don't think so. I mean, I think well, you know, I don't date Habesha men because I'm not around them. Not because I don't want to, but I mean, there's Habesha يلون أبتغاي. So كلهم أمريكاوان بمزحهم سايد نبرو أمريكاوان. So relationship ماتي أمريكاوان دزاروي. But as American, girl, if they want to ask a girl, they might be. And again, I never had issue dating. It's just that it's such a dedicated fitness sport. They're amazed. Usually, they can't believe that I do that because at least when it's sport, usually impressed. But I never had issue.
It's a dedication not commodity. By the way, كدان مسجبركي والحنتي muscle like flex مسجبركي أمبر كدان مسجبركي you just look like a really slim fit tashimo. And then muscle مسجبركي wow, you're like, where did this come from?
Well, that's the thing. It's different because sorry, what it's like I'm hot. I need to get some air. It's because it's sports gobro. And that's why I sport because I wanted to change the mindset because كدان سبيت قاعد مثلا مسلم, you know, because sport muscle alaki, but it's عن الجبر division. It's very very feminine, you know what I mean? Yeah, it's just I have a lot of muscle, but you can't tell the difference, you know. I don't look like Abi Sabaiti, you know what I mean? Like I don't look like this big muscle lady, whatever. I just look like a normal girl. And so that's why it's bahalana encourage is that sport غيركي مع حسكسي سبعي تغيرني. And I had a lady tell me this, ask me Habesha lady. She goes كنت والدي تخليني because sport was كبيرتني.
Wow.
I was like, I said, let me just tell you, أنا كمبيت مسايد قبرة حمشت 4 الولدها سويت ساعتين. You know what I mean? Like
exactly.
Even doctor sport قواري is like under her. You know, you have to be healthy. So there's a lot of misunderstanding in sport things. Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Let me ask you a personal question.
Sure.
I don't know if you don't want to answer it, that's fine. Do you ever see yourself with the Habesha guy, like with the Eritrean whatever? Do you ever see yourself?
I wish I could.
I know.
You know the problem with that. that I learned because natay in the chogre am tahabasha yu bota gerayo. First of all, Nero, sorry. And حجيت ناتي مسايد صار chogre حدا قرص chogre حبشة ودي يسو. Instead of نعي كحكوني, they ask him about me, you know, and so I like أنا confident with it for too because أنت حرد دخول النجار دليخا بعلخا كتحدث لك, you know, so I didn't understand فقريسي أبدي أنا فليتي وأنا بعدي فوتني. So what I know is American. So if you want something, you better ask it. You know, كتحدث لك بعلخا. So I wish, of course, I mean, it would be nice. Yes. But it has to be كماي. It has to be like accept قبرني من مخانا يعني and غيرني فليتو خاتو, you know.
Yes.
Anyways, yeah, it would be nice.
Yeah, to accept you just come تدلخ يا خوسدكي. نا كغيركي وي كم زخت كوني خم زخت كوني ده كوني.
Yeah. Love me as I am.
It's the way you are.
Yes.
That's amazing. That's what we want at the end. Come in and
yeah.
So fellas, تسمع لكم هذه. I don't know. By the way, single day I felt couldn't bet anyway.
That was a good question though.
You know, Tashimo, it's just sometimes that's something actually بزحت عودات دحتني كم يجري نقولك حتى دليسي. I don't know. أجمل النجلة. يبلو مالتي.
Don't be scared. Just ask.
أبنفس ترحيل.
Yeah, and you know, like in the I feel like it's, you know, part of maybe in our culture but guess what? Get with the program. You're not in a it's okay. Just practice in other culture. Go ask a girl out or something.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yes.
And come here, just practice it. Just, hey, do you want coffee?
Yes.
Do you want tashimo? Practice it. And then you know, you can't. نتا كنت فتات دلسي نخال السب حتى تلي كتب لسي.
That shows.
Just go ask.
Yeah, that shows you as a person. So I feel like you don't have confidence. I'm like, you have to ask your friend to ask me, then you don't got confidence. Just insane.
سمعكم معهم, you know, يسمعكم معهم. You have to appreciate من مخانا. You have to appreciate the خونة مالتي. Accept her for the way she is. So that's أمود أساسي كلنا خمينا. كم تاش مخنا بالمالتي.
It's exhausting to try to change somebody. That's another.
Exactly.
That's another.
Exactly. You know, that's what I say.
It's another job.
That's what I say. That's what I say. They're scared about MEP. They're scared about disappointments. Aww. But guess what? It's better to
you learn it.
But it's better مجمرة.
Yeah. I mean, granted, you know, it was disappointed. Yes. Anyone could be, but at least in the Hafatin Kayo, then the Haramati, it gives you the courage to even go after something that you really want, you know? So you're not, somebody's laughing hard.
Exactly. It's Hannah, is that your sister? Yeah. So it's just personality. كل جزء حتى like كم يجرح حتى نزي أقوال قلة. That means أب نفسك خسر حلك. You have to work on yourself first.
Absolutely.
كلمنا مستقبل مخات كاسي.
Yes.
Conquer yourself first. Come on. Trust me. نفسك فلتك. نفسك عند من مخانك فلتك. والحنتي problem أهلو كان.
Because you know what, in the نفسك فلتك, if you know what you're worth, you have no problem showing up and say, hey, this is what I want. You know? Because you're confident.
Exactly.
You know? How do you expect somebody else to trust that? You know?
Yes, exactly. And it's not, I know بعدنا هاني تاشملو كمزي how do you say كمزي كبرت كونك إليو قل here تاشم for me it's like why
it doesn't work.
How often تاشم all I say go to the source and the هرنة أقولها بالكايا just go ask her. I'm not saying you don't even need to ask her, oh, let's go on a date. No, hey.
Just say hi.
You know, exactly. Say hi. كمي مخانا بالله. كمي ساون كمي تمنسلكا. Hey, by the way, do you want to have coffee? Just have coffee or whatever, tea.
Yes.
And حرايلات لو محراي دبلت next time.
Yes.
you're not saying
Yes.
okay? Don't take it as
Yes.
you want to have
Slow.
coffee or movie or whatever she likes to do.
Yeah.
And then relationship naturally it's gonna go to
Yeah.
okay? So that's take it easy, Malati.
Yeah.
Anyway, how often do you work out? Tell me now, like how often do you work out?
Right now I'm working out about 5 days a week. But to
Okay.
exercise ከም ናይ ቀደም ኣይኮንኩን because still ካብ ብርከይ ንታሕቲ ገና I strong ኣይኮነን but I still ክገብር ኣለኒ. I still have to do sport ክገብር ኣለኒ because I don't want my muscle to be weak. But I just do a little bit to keep my muscle going. ስጋዕ ኩሉ እግረይ ድምለስለይ ማለት እዩ. So 5 days a week. That's what I am doing ሕጂ. Yeah.
Okay.
And then
like how many hours do you usually work a day? How many hours a
work
day?
out? Like an hour right now. I do 30 minutes at cardio يقبر and then 30 minutes I just do either upper body or lower body يقبر. اجري تحتي or and then يلعلي يقبر مالتي. And then physical therapy يخيد someone. So because my balance is bad. So مسؤوم balance يسرح مالتي. They teach me about my balance. They do tests. So I do physical therapy.
Okay. Yeah. What about مقبخة بمقبي انت عانت مقبي تبلع مالتي?
I try to be clean. But I like for breakfast the usual egg whites, you know. But I also a lot of protein. But I also eat. حجي مس محازتي واتي. I enjoy myself. I just don't overeat. بزح I eat, but I don't eat like crazy. بزح حما أنا قال حما أبلعني. But I still enjoy myself, you know. Mallet.
So moderation.
Moderation. Because حجي أنا أبناء competitions لري له competition دحر كوينو. I'm very strict. I don't eat out. Everything I do everything by myself, you know. But حجي recovery لري له. I still eat healthy. And دحر وقتي كأني مس محازتي. I enjoy myself too, مالت you. You know, like I don't drink soda or anything, but maybe so it's just a balance, you know. You gotta have balance.
Yeah. That's amazing. And abgaza cook together di abgaza tashmo?
I do.
You cook?
I don't cook. I do. Yeah. It's not Habesha food, but I cook.
Yeah, healthy food, whatever healthy is.
Yeah.
That's what I say. Abgazana hiji, we do healthy things. It doesn't matter how you we just eat whatever is healthy.
Exactly.
Whatever we feel like we want to eat, we don't limit ourselves. Especially for me, everybody knows it doesn't matter. India, Nigeria, I try to explore different things and have healthy. That's what I do.
Yeah, it's so delicious. I do the same thing. I love sushi, so like that's my favorite thing. So I love.
Me too. Oh my god.
Sushi.
I love sushi.
And then I'll go far. You know, I'll go to Vietnamese restaurants and stuff like that. So I mean, there's so many different cultures and the food you can pick. It's a choice. Once you get there, you just see things and then you know what is healthy. It's healthy a healthy day allo, you know. So you just enjoy yourself. It's a balance, but you have to work out.
Exactly. That's amazing. We have a lot in common. I'm finding
out
a lot in common.
I wish you lived in Cali.
I might need to visit you so I can hang out with you.
Please do. Anytime.
Let me see. What else do I need to, let me see. I'm trying to, so what do you say to young Eritrean or anybody that want to go in fitness marathon, bodybuilding?
I want to share with you. I had Hanti Kwala. She's 19 years old. I won't say her name. That I'm helping out. She wants to become the next bodybuilder as a young Eritrean girl. So she asked her parents that she has a desire to do this. And you
Yes.
know, they, of course it's hard for them, but she is she's determined to do it. And I just feel like if that's what you want to do, you can still do bodybuilding. You can become whatever the heck you want. Either you can be in medicine, in law, you can do business. It's just that, know that this is only going to empower you. You know, I have confidence to begin with, but bodybuilding had given me, it's just the most amazing confidence, you know. You don't have to be on a stage, come to Anas Gobro, but sports sarihki, when you feel good, you got your head up, you walking straight, you know, your whole being is like amazing, right? So I say to the next young girl who's gonna follow my lead one day is that, know that if you want my help, I'm always here, but why not? Anybody could do it.
Yeah.
I would love to have like Eritrean women just be on a stage with me. There'd be a whole bunch of them. That would be amazing. You know, we could all wear their flags. But I just say, go for it. Nothing can stop you. And you know what? Don't live your life for other people. Live for you.
Amen.
Yeah.
Amen. That's what I say.
Yeah.
What do you usually drink? Do you drink a lot of water? What do you drink usually?
I only drink 3 things. And it's coffee and tea and water. So I drink a lot of water.
Okay.
It's like nafsina, obviously it's been my dibas you, you know, and that's why bizay my buzuh kitkayda tkhaliha, but biday make me buzuh kitkayda tkhaliha mish. So and then what happened, mind it cleans you inside out. It also helps you lose weight too. And so yeah, water is essential for our body. I drink a lot of water.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's amazing. That's good. Let me see.
Yes.
Well, I think I might have you next time.
Thank you.
You know, I wish you well.
Thank you so much.
Recovery.
Thank you.
So
Yes.
what do you want to say to them? What kind of message do you want to send out? Let me know. Next time.
I think كلنا you know, one is be kind, you know, you know, it's love doesn't cause say like your friends, they are struggling, don't watch them struggle. Do your part, and do your part in a positive way. And thank you so much. And you know, my friends, I'm so overwhelmed the amount of love that I get, you know, from people. It's just mind-blowing, really. And it is so encouraging. And although they don't understand what I do, but they're very supportive. And I hope that we can all share the talent that you have. It's a talent to share together. It's incredible. And I also am so excited that you have this platform, and you're going to help many people as well. So I just say thank you. That's all I can say. And I hope that I help someone out there, and don't give up, you know. Moral don't lose hope. You know? Yeah, don't lose hope. And I'm lucky, God gives us, if you faith in time, faith in time, I don't know. إمنت إن حرامنا خالك ولا حنتي أي تخونيها, you know, and أملاك أي حق زكاي. So stay positive, stay encouraged, and I don't get disappointed on things, and you know, see that كلنا جرز حل في يلن. My mom used to always say شجرة حلا في سمرت قالي, and it's just absolutely right, you know. And you know, just don't lose hope and don't lose faith. And so God bless all of you, and thank you so much for having me too. And
thank you. I'm honored. Let me tell you, I'm honored. You know, a lot of people think, I don't know, like, I don't know, I'm an easy person going, but they think like, oh, professionally or something. I don't believe in that. when I talk to you, I'm going to talk to you
Yeah.
like a
Yes.
human being, like
Yes.
you and me. That's just
Yes.
who I am,
Yes.
you know. So it's amazing for me. It's an honor to
Thank
bring
you.
you here, and a lot of people need to know you.
Thanks.
And ببزح تقبري دلخي, and I think we should encourage you. كلنا
Thank
مالتي.
you.
It's just it's amazing. You're going for your goal. كل جزيبل. You have to know who you are and go for your
Yes.
goals. لنفسك مس حجزك نخلق إنك تكون
Absolutely.
تخلقها. You have to be for yourself
Yes.
first, because in the respect they تقبرها هونك. لنفسك ندحر accept they تقبرها هونك نخلق سبك accept تقبرها
So true.
تخلقها. So just keep going what you're doing. تقبري يزلق.
Thank you.
And hopefully كالو أتكاني ناتهم dream يسعبوا يخلو.
Yes.
كم تقبري يدلق.
Go for it.
بتعمي inspire تقبري.
Thank you.
Yes, go for it.
There's no
limits.
limit.
The only limit is you. Your only limit
Yes.
is you.
Only yourself.
You know?
نفسها.
So, exactly. So thank you so much.
Thank
and
you.
next time, I think بزحت سبات كأني سدي دوما
Yay!
message سخنا ببقينا next
No
time.
problem. I'm so honored and I'm so excited.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so
Bye,
much.
guys.
You have a friend in me and for life.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay. Bye, guys.
Ciao.
All
Bye.
right. Ciao, honey.
Bye.
Bye. I think I went to Etindala. Okay. Bye, everybody. Until next week. Okay. Thank you for coming with us. Thank you for staying with us. Malati. Tigirnya in English, Shineru. Mabzahti English, Shineru. Lama anti, but you know what? That's who we are. We can't, we can't fake things, Malati. Thank you. We'll try to do, Tigirnya next time. Anyway, thank you. Find your truth and speak your truth. Kaligazay.